What's up everyone? I'm in the beautiful Tobago waiting on my wife to arrive on a flight, and we will be staying at the Grand Courlan Spa Resort. I will give you a nice little walk through the room and the compound itself, check it out, see what's in the area, and hopefully enjoy it. So I'm just waiting on Steph to arrive now, pick her up from the airport, and we're gonna head in. Look she reach, look she reach. Here she is. Welcome to Trini Surfer car. Here's your spa band.
Fancy.
Look at this. Excited?
Yes.
Very good.
Thank you. Thanks for inviting me.
Yeah, not many. I don't often invite people to come on my missions, you know, but once in a while I'll bring a fan along with me. Let's go and check it out. Well, my partner running from here. She's just going to give us, what's her name?
Akina.
Akina is going to show us how to open our door. That's all, that's all. It's not Hollywood, you know. Yeah.
This way.
Nice. Thank you. So once you enter, you'll notice that there's closet space as well. Of course, there's a safe for valuables. And then immediately on the left hand side is your bathroom. Very nice bathroom. 2 drainage points, very clean. There's a Steph lying down on the bed. It's a nice queen size bed. The air condition was on when we arrived. Very, very clean room. There's also a little desk and a cabinet here. Inside there's a mini fridge if you want to store some items. There's an ice bucket which you could get ice filled at the bar, television, of course Wi-Fi. A little seating area, and then you come out to this view, and that's pretty beautiful. So just some other general information we have on these bands. The white bands are the all-inclusive. There's also a different package option. All the information of course is below the video, where you can get a green band which just includes breakfast and the accommodation. The white band being all-inclusive, you get drinks, everything. There's also a bar with a pool table area, everything like that. If you want to go online, watch some TV, take a drink, that's on the property as well too. Now the Grafton beach is directly across the road from here, and there's gate access from the compound, but the gate does close at 6 p.m. for the safety of guests of course. Right guys, so we're back after a delicious breakfast. We're just gonna take a walk by the pool and then head down to the beach to show you how quick and easy it is to get to the beautiful Grafton. So Stephanie, lead the way. The beautiful Grafton beach, everyone. If you don't know it, you should visit it. One of the better known beaches in Tobago, and it's also really, really beautiful to come and lime. And most of the time it's pretty safe for swimming, except it can get a little rough, so of course be careful. Lead the way, baby.
way to the beach, we discovered a little gym. Let's check it out.
So forgive the darkness, so it may look a little rough on camera, but there's the absolutely most amazing spa here, and I'm just going to give you a quick little walkthrough. Now this is a resort and spa, so when you are coming you can ask about the prices for massage, getting your nails done. They have saunas, couples massages, steam rooms, jacuzzi, all kind of thing. So I'm going to give you a quick run through. Yeah, facial, she's absolutely correct. And yeah, so inquire about this whenever staying at this resort. But let's go and check it out quickly. Alright guys, so it's time for lunch and Stephanie is hungry. I'm more hungry probably. And there's some beach rules here when you come in. It says come out of your shell, avoid peer pressure, be sure of yourself, don't get tied down, go ahead and make waves. Well, Stephanie tied me down, so I already broke one of the rules. Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna head in and enjoy now. Let's go, Ben.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. So we're starting a meal off with some delicious corn soup. See here, Stephanie's own comes with some bread and a happy wife.
Yeah.
So give us a little sample. This might just be a light dumpling. Good?
Of course. Of course.
So on the menu next is some delicious looking coconut shrimp. Stephanie's eyeing it up. We get some good angles on it there.
I'm excited.
Yeah, go for it. Stephanie's saying I'm the one that has to sample this. A carnival body coming back. The shrimp are big. But we have the famous tacos that they sell here at Waves Bar, and we ordered something called Trio, which brings us one taco with lobster, one with shrimp, and one with fish. So we're gonna sample it now. And Steph, you do the honors.
I'm gonna choose the lobster.
The lobster? The lobster is the middle one. Go for it. Very good. And right, we down to dessert, the grand finale, and we had to do it fast because they go and melt. We have a ice cream and brownie dessert, as well as a double chocolate cake. You see a nice W on it as well. There we go for it. Good. Well guys, that brings another epic trip to Tobago to an end. Thank you very much to Waves and the Grand Courlan for having us over here. It was truly relaxing and fantastic. I'm so full right now, like I'm struggling to speak. But that's the sign of a good meal. The service was really good and they treated us really well. I really recommend it. The coconut shrimp was so divine.
Oh, that was the best.
And the weather is fantastic, you know, having that property there right on the beachfront definitely adds the food and the experience there. Same thing with the hotel, very close to the beach, and I love a beach, you know, as well as having that big sprawling pool. Everything is cool. So check them out, follow them on Instagram, and next time in Tobago, consider staying in the hotel as well as coming to Waves for a nice meal. But from Stephanie and I, we'll see you again soon.
Yeah.
Back to Trinidad, and everybody have a fantastic week. Big up, blessings, one love.
Bye guys.